Hi, I'm Marcia White from the Saratoga Performing Arts Center. SPAC is the Northeast premier performing arts center, located in the pristine Spa State Park. Our 25,000 capacity venue offers you unforgettable experiences. Enjoy the world-class performances by the New York City Ballet and the Philadelphia Orchestra, the hottest jazz at the Freihaufer Jazz Festival, chamber music, modern dance, cabaret, or the most popular pop and rock. Be amazed by breathtaking performances from an up-close and personal seat in our amphitheater, or with a picnic on our lush lawn under the moon and stars. And this summer, by toasting the season at the Saratoga Wine, Food, and Fall Ferrari Festival. That's the SPAC experience. That's the magic of SPAC.